Okay, so you've heard the buzz, right? Generative AI,
Yeah,
it seems like it's absolutely everywhere.
it really does. Creating stunning images,
Mhm.
writing code. It can feel almost, well, magical.
Exactly. But what is this technology really? And, what does it actually mean for us, for business, for how we work?
Yeah, there's a lot of hype to cut through.
That's what we're going to do in this deep dive. We're aiming to unpack generative AI. We've gathered some really fascinating sources
Right, we've got research from places like Google and Stanford, some insights from Deloitte.
and analyses on its impact on creative work, the economy, all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So our mission here is to give you a clear, solid understanding of generative AI, where it comes from, what it can do, some surprising things there, how it's being used now, and the big questions we need to think about.
Hopefully some aha moments along the way.
Let's hope so. Okay, to start, let's get on the same page. Artificial intelligence, AI. How should we think about that?
Well, AI is the really broad term, right? Systems that show intelligent behavior learning, reasoning, solving problems. The big umbrella.
Okay, the big umbrella. And under that.
You've got machine learning, ML, that's a key subfield. This is where algorithms learn from data. They make predictions without someone programming every single rule.
They learn it themselves from the data.
Exactly. And then diving deeper, there's deep learning, DL, that's a subset of machine learning.
Okay.
Deep learning uses these artificial neural networks. They're actually kind of inspired by the human brain.
Okay.
And they're really good at processing complex patterns in huge amounts of data. Doesn't matter if it's neatly labeled or just raw stuff.
So deep learning is the engine here.
Hmm.
But where does generative AI fit in? What makes it generative?
Right. So the key thing is, generative AI is a subset of deep learning. It uses these powerful neural networks,
Wow.
and it's really flexible in how it learns. It can use data that's clearly tagged or figure out patterns on its own.